could have gone down there. I'm going over a bloody rock here. Where is it? Sorry. Nee, die ding sukkel nie. I wonder where that old English fort is. It's somewhere around here, but maybe we can come find it next time.
Yeah, there's a little trail.
Do you want to go up there?
Yeah.
I think the fort's up there. It looks like
A fort.
It does.
But that's not a... Are those car tracks?
Yes, you can. I don't want to do that right now. I've done enough 4x4ing, man.
Maar dit is die fort.
Yes. Like
Met ook die regte kar. Die canopy is oop.
Ja, wat het
Hele plat. For reals.
Yep.
Imagine building a fort up there like 100. Wanneer was die Boereoorlog? 1890s?
Somewhere there. I can't remember the exact date. I'm gonna sound like an uneducated South African if I
Just,
yeah.
maar imagine die moeite.
Well, they have a lot of rocks here to do that, but still, it would have taken some work, yeah. $73. Ooh, no, I'm not gonna.
How did we get in here? Did we go that way? No, this is the road.
We didn't come this way.
No, we didn't.
I'm not gonna go down
No,
that
don't
way.
go down that way.
Just check for me that side, eh?
No problem, miss.
With my hill descent control on. But I've noticed with this thing's hill descent control, it goes a little bit fast. It's a little.
Dis by daai klip. Dan.
En dat is daar kan traction control as sy.
No, we didn't come this way.
No.
Good klip daar. You got it.
I'm just checking. I could have probably come down that side, but
Yeah. There are tracks there.
yeah, someone did. Switch this shit off.
Say.
Much
So-
less windy here. I say. Now I'm speaking too soon. Let's put it back on. Sorry.
Hy wys jou op die dash, nee. Sonder daai klip wat so
Checking it.
Wat vir jou so kyk.
Mm.
En wegskop.
No, I'll just drive around it. It's alright. This way.
Die mens verby hom.
Yep. Oopsie. Yes.
I tried this with my own car. I would try this with my own
yes.
vehicle. Ek sal baie kak voel as ek jou kar seer.
I would not be impressed with you though.
Nee, just know it would never be on purpose.
Of course. I say. Oh.
SAMIR. Concentrate. No, I can't do that. I can't do it. You're breaking the shut up. You're breaking the car.
You're breaking the car, Samir. That's so funny.
So what?
And he,
Dit is die trail.
and he's just driving, man.
Maar hy is just like glad. That's not a rally driver.
No. I would be pretty pissed with Samir too if I was driving with him.
Trying to win a race here.
Yeah, let's take this road.
I'm gonna find it and send it to you.
Please do.
Vet boere oom. Is jy nog so met sy vet vinger? Awesome.
Oof, look at this. We might have to pack some rocks. Maybe not.
Kom ons kyk, moet ek uitklim?
Let me get out.
Ja.
Thank you.
Die wind is wat.
For now.
Wat so klok jy?
Oh, yeah, this is fine. Alright. Yeah. I don't like these wires, man.
Yeah, but none of them are sticking like this.
Yeah, it's
They're all
fine.
pointing- that one is pointing that way.
Yes, right. This car is great. Kap om in low range. Right. Eish. God.
So, nice.
Nice, quite nice. So, yeah, if it was smoother downhill, I would just activate this
And then just
hill descent control and then just leave it in first gear. But I found if you,
leave it as too quick.
yeah, especially on like this rough terrain, it's not like so I just stay on the brakes and the clutch. And it's not great to be on the brakes the whole time, but man, this is therapy, right? Just get out of the city with the noise and the people. Ayo, come on. Yeah, if you're not gonna be doing off-road stuff with a car like this, then why did you buy it? Hey.
Because it looks
But just looking cool is pretentious, I'm sorry.
Max training. I'm not agreeing with it.
Yeah. But whatever, man, it's your money. If you wanna look like someone you're not, then that's your business. Yeah.
Definitely deaf. I don't want to tell you how to drive.
Yeah. I appreciate assistance though. You're not a backseat driver. Just
No, so- I'll say. Done.
So I mean you break in the car.
Yeah. No, I'm not a backseat driver.
And I'm not Samir.
You're not.
Where's the thunderstorms?
Not here.
Well, they said there was gonna be thunderstorms.
Weet hom, hè?
Oh, hulle praat stront.
But no hesitation.
Ground clearance on this thing is good enough.
Ja.
Okay, some gnarly ass rocks here.
Baie lyk nogal smooth.
I'm just gonna go through here.
Check net hierdie groot ou.
Ja.
Ons is 'n groot hier.
Ek ry bo hom.
Ja, okay, doen dit.
Ek ry bo die in. Sy. Sy. No problem. I just want to fall in there. I'm not gonna get the car out if that happens. Then I'll have to call the cruiser.
He will come and help.
He will. he'll laugh at me. It's gonna take him like 3 hours to get here, but he's gonna laugh at me. Oh, because I'm sure he wants to see me get stuck.
Did you help?
No, I think it's fine. There's some rocks packed this side.
Okay, there's
Yeah, this side is not nearly as rough as the opposite side coming up, eh? This is still easy. Pick your spots, girly, like my Oma always says. Pick your spots, girly.
feels good.
Right. Easy does it. What's nice about this car is it's so small, it just fits through most obstacles. It's light. Oh, I could have gone that. No, I don't like those rocks. Yeah, no, not that side. I think. No problem. I take it like this. Yeah.
Just watch out for this
Yes, you just check for me that side, please. Oi! Like a moddertjie.
rock.
Yeah, don't come here with your road car.
No,
Something with
can you? It's not possible.
at least 200 mils to, I think this one has 230 clearance, ground clearance. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just checking for sharp rocks. I don't want to shred my tires, man. You fucking more so. I'm gonna pick this trash up. I don't like it, Damian. I legitimately don't understand people who just toss their junk out the window. I mean, if it's an accident, okay, whatever, but...
Why do you accidentally toss a bottle?
Oops, daar gaat hy.
I asked you for a bag.
Ja. Bugger off, you thing. This road, I'm sure if it sees more rain and stuff, it's gonna be worse. But we haven't had that much rain yet. But with this storm thing, that's also why I don't really want to spin my tires too much and spin too much of the material out of the road. It's just gonna make it shitty for other people who want to do this as well.